Alright, so guys, thanks so much for clicking the video. So, guys, may nagtanong lang din kasi kung kailan daw ba yung may importanteng tanong no, na maraming nagtatanong talaga. So, I think it's the best time to address it. Yun daw yung kailan nalalaman. Okay, so, push up there. Alright, so sagutin na lang natin yan sa bahay. Okay, uwi muna tayo, nakakapagod guys. So, Happy New Year 2026, and yeah, watch out for my vlogs.
Hi guys. Okay, so now I'm back home actually. All right. So yeah, about that. Normally, guys, still even in the past, in 10 years ago, 15 years ago, I think the most common way call center interview inform you if you pass or fail is, upfront. Okay. In the past, talagang ganun dati, mas matindi, no? Talagang, kunyari, nag-interview ka, talagang hindi nila nagustuhan yung sagot mo. Right there and then, guys, talagang, unfortunately, sasabihan kanila na you failed the interview. Right there and then, okay? I've known this because, kasi dati, naririnig ko masyadong maraming applicants before, 15 years ago. So, minsan, like, sa Convergys or other companies, talagang nakikita ko sila na upfront sinasabi that you failed, ganon. Okay, so unfortunately, but yun talaga, normally they will inform you straight on. Okay, so that's for number 1. Okay, so number 2, guys, is email. Okay, nowadays they also mentioned that they will respond to you by email. My wife actually got hired sa Carelon before. A couple of years back, she was answered via email. Okay, that she passed the interview, and she can now work as a representative. Okay, I passed the representative. So yun, email lang din. Okay, besides that, so they will just inform you that they will let you know via email. Okay, and that's it. You will know if you pass or fail. Alright, so that's for number... Okay, 1 and final is that yung experience ko, guys. As you know, right now I'm working in, Teletech. Okay, so sa Teletech that time, I think almost 5 years ago. Okay, it's phone call. So I know myself that I already passed. Kasi tama naman yung mga sinagot ko. Tapos dumating ako dun sa last part ng interview. Tapos nun, I'm sure I passed the mock call. Okay, sinagot ko nun about, if you don't know the information daw. So, ang sagot ko naman, yeah, we can actually check the website. You can point them there. So, parang nagustuhan ng interviewer yung sagot ko that time. So, yun guys. First, lastly is the phone call. So, after that, sinabihan ako na, okay, we will let you know within the day. Sabi pa nun, I think the interview got, finished only 2.5 hours lang. Kasi guys, at that time, parang pa yun yung pandemic. Okay, so mostly sa bahay lang yung interview, sa computer lang yung interview. But I know I passed it, I aced it. So that's why yun sinabi. Now, true enough, no? Within 10 minutes, guys, tumawag na Okay. Tapos yun, sinabi sa akin na, good job, you passed yan nun. Okay, we'll let you know. Tapos binigyan ako ng briefing kung magkano yung sasweldoin ko. Yung mga normal, lang. Tapos binigay na rin yung list of requirements. Okay? So, for now, guys, I think yun pa rin ang tatlong ways. Okay? They tell you upfront. Okay? Email, and of course, lastly, phone call. Okay, so I hope, guys, it answers your question. Comment down below sa mga gusto pa magtanong. I'll try my best to answer it. Have a great day.